Did you know that the average American sends about 2,819 text messages per month? 94 text messages per day. Did you know that the average text message is opened within 60 seconds? And the question that nobody is asking is, why are you paying the cell phone company hundreds of dollars to keep a phone that you're making no money from? And so what smart people are doing today is finding a way to leverage the power of the internet via their cell phone. And if you're smart, you're making anywhere from $500 to $1,000 a week. To say the least, the time is now. Join our community of action takers, future builders, a new breed of people that are working smarter, not harder, enjoying their life, leveraging our automated virtual assistant who does all the selling, all the telling, and all the explaining. And you get paid. Our software works. Get back to the person that shared this video with you and get started today. Meet Ava, your new automated virtual assistant. The time is now. Put Ava to work for you.